That's okay. Good morning today. We'll be checking our bee trap today to see if we've gotten some bees or not. Let's go check. What do we have here? No bees. We've got no bees yet. It's dry. Oh no. It's been two or three, I think 3 weeks since we got our bees trap here. But then we've not gotten any bees. Oh, is it empty? Oh no. Okay, we still keep trying. We keep trying to we be able to get our bees in place, and I think hopefully, probably, I heard a rumor that there are some Fulanis around here, and what they do basically is they go and chase those bees away from their colony. So I think I'm gonna go farther into the bush, into the farm. But then I can't just put my traps in any farm. I have to know whose farm it is and be able to find my way around it. So that's pretty much what we're gonna be doing today. And then giving thanks to my uncle and my sister. She pretty much bought this apron for me. That's Mrs. Amubeya Olaide and her husband Amubeya Olabanji. A very big thank you to you, and also a big thank you to my brother for allowing me to put my traps in his compound. So Olaleye Oluwafemi Abiodun. So big thank you to you. I say big thank you to you. I don't take this for granted. So peace out.